Hey everyone, thank you very much for joining today. I'm David from InkHearts Industries. I would like to say thank you for all the subscribers joining and follow up what we're doing here. So at the moment we're really tied up to this Mitsubishi R300 motorhome project. So it's a big challenge for us. We try to do the cheapest way as possible, using recycled materials as much as possible. So in today's video we etch priming inside of the door frame around, and using red oxide is going to give a nice thicker coat to protect the metal. Obviously we could use some better quality epoxy primer, something strong which is you can shoot it with a bullet and nothing gonna happen. But we have a tight budget, what we're gonna talk about in the future videos if you're interested. What's our budget, how much we spent so far. This time we do some etch priming, so it's prime time. Thanks to our sponsor, InkHearts Industries mugs and t-shirts available online. If you haven't done it yet, check them out.
Many hours later.
all dried up pretty well. I'm very happy with the finish, nice and smooth. I'm gonna use red oxide, that red oxide, everywhere, but it has to be thick to protect the surface. So I'm gonna step on there, and probably I'm gonna do there as well. I brush it on, so it's not gonna be as neat as when I spray it. I'm thinking about this, it's not too bad. Maybe I will leave this as it is. And it's gonna be red. Done the whole bottom of the door, just in case. Next one, we're gonna start working on the front. Get all the paint off, etch prime it. Behind the bumper is gonna be treated with underbody seal and the special
Chemical X.
Next episode we're gonna sorting out the front, get rid of all the paint, etch prime it, start the engine and turn around on the driveway so we can start working on the passenger side. Stay tuned, please subscribe, see you next time.